Welcome to Basic Knowledge Center. Today, our topic is on the life cycle of a human hair. Many personal care products are available in the market that focus on hair growth. Hair loss is definitely a big concern among the masses. Hair on the scalp grows approximately 0.3 millimeters to 0.4 millimeters per day. So, in 1 year, a hair can grow up to approximately 6 inches if proper care is taken. Every day, approximately 50 to 100 hairs can shed, which is quite normal, and a normal human being has approximately 100,000 hairs on the scalp. For a better understanding, let's see a diagram of the structure of hair. The hair follicle is responsible for hair growth and are situated in the skin at the dermis and subcutaneous tissue. At the bottom of the hair follicles is the hair bulb, which contains active hair-growing cells made up of proteins. Small blood vessels in the skin give the roots nutrients which allow the hair to grow. As hair begins to grow, it pushes itself from the root, then out of the follicle, and finally breaks out of the skin. The visible part of the hair is known as the shaft and is non-living as it contains dead cells. So cutting or shaving of hair does not cause pain or affect the growth cycle, but plugging, threading, and waxing does generate pain and affect the growth cycle. There are 4 stages of hair growth: anagen, catagen, telogen, and exogen. Anagen is the first phase in hair growth. This is the active phase of hair growth. In this phase, the division of cells in the bulb is faster, so new hair is made and old hair is pushed out. In this phase, a hair can grow up to 1 centimeter in length. This anagen phase will vary from person to person and can remain from 2 years to 6 years. Because of this, some people have longer hair and some have shorter hair. Different body parts like the eyebrows, armpits, face, arms, legs, etc. have hair that is smaller than scalp hair, since their anagen phase time is smaller. Generally, men and women with a higher amount of dihydrotestosterone will have a reduced anagen phase. Poor diet, stress, age, genes, and hormones are also factors that can reduce the anagen phase. So, the majority of hair growth products available in the market today target this phase and try to increase the anagen phase. When anagen phase ends, the second phase, catagen phase, begins. This is also known as the transitional phase. Generally, at any time, approximately 3% of hair is in this phase. This phase normally lasts 2 to 3 weeks. During this time, the hair detaches from the blood vessels and derma papilla. Due to this, the hair growth stops and the hair follicle reduces in size and shrinks as nutrients and oxygen from blood does not reach it. The next phase is the telogen phase, which is also known as resting phase. At any time, 6 to 8% of hairs are in this phase. This phase remains till approximately 3 to 6 months. The last phase is exogen phase, which is generally an extension of telogen phase. Here, the hair sheds and a new anagen period begins. This cycle continues throughout life, and many factors affect how long this cycle takes. Once again, the main phase is anagen phase, which is the growth phase. Researchers develop ingredients and products which positively affect the anagen phase. We hope this has given you a better understanding of your hair's growth cycle. For more informative videos, please encourage us by liking and subscribing to this channel.